Hello guys, how are you? Today I'll show you how to give partition to your hard drive. So first of all, I have to download a software for giving a partition. So in the description I'll give you the URL of download link of the software, which name is AOMEI Partition Assistant Software. So when you click on the URL, you will see this thing on your window. Just click on skip add and you will gonna see the download link. Just click on download latest version. Here it will download, it will start download on your window. You seeing your program is now downloading. Yes, this is the software. I already saved this software on my Windows, so I'm installing from them there. Double click on the software. It will start the installation of the software, giving permission to install the software. Okay, next, and next. Desktop icon, yes, next, install. And this is installing the software. It will take some time, but not much more. Okay, then finish. Check this box to run this program, then finish, and it will run the program. Here you are seeing this is the software and this is the two drive on my Windows. I'm clearing you what I am talking about. The partition means you have two drive, so you want to create new one, another drive which will be 100, then another drive which will be another 100, and then another drive. By this way you can create multiple drive. I'll create another 3 drive. So just right click and then create partition. Then you have to select the partition, how much GB you want to. I want this 100 GB. Then I'm clicking OK. So this creates another 100 GB. Then I'm creating another partition that will also be 100 GB. So this will create another drive on your hard drive. Then I don't need anything else, so it is this is remaining 165, this is 100, and this is 100. So I am going back to my computer, then refreshing this, and yes, and it is not working. It will not work because I didn't show you what next to do. Then I am showing you that after making this thing, you must be give this apply button, click on this apply button, then apply, and it will create the partition. Proceed, and it needs a power connection of my laptop, so it is not proceeding. Then okay, I connected my power, then okay, then again I am clicking on proceed. Yes, are you sure to start? Yes. Then you are seeing that it is processing. It's processing, it's take some time. I am pausing the video for it is taking the time. Yes, it's installed finally. It will show this message: congratulations, all operations have been completed successfully. I'm clicking OK. Then it will created the partition. I'm seeing in the partition box here you see two partition, new partition, local disk, new partition. That's it. Awesome thing, and easiest thing which you don't need to worry about anything, knowing any codings and some unnecessary things. It is really awesome. You in the previous if you have any folder files, they are very safe in this way. Yeah, so that I use this way to partition my hard drive. Thank you, that's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, because subscribing my channel is a very motivational and inspiration for me to create this type of helpful video for you. If you like this video, you can share on your friends, to your groups, and help to your website. You can like this video. You can that's all for today. Thank you.